Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by finding the exact text or item to copy and why it matters. Precision saves time. Use your cursor or finger to select only the portion needed. Once selected, press Ctrl+C on Windows or +C on Mac, or long press and choose Copy on mobile. Make sure to briefly paste into a scratch field to verify the content copied correctly, because an invisible formatting error can ruin downstream paste operations. Once done copying, access your clipboard manager to control what you paste and why. This prevents surprises. On Windows, press Win+V to see history. On Mac, use the built-in viewer or a lightweight app to inspect items. You can select an earlier entry or edit text in the manager to remove unwanted formatting before pasting. Pin recurring items so you don't lose them. Make sure to clear sensitive entries when finished to protect. You complete the task by pasting into the destination using Ctrl+V or +V, and if you need plain text, use Shift+Ctrl+V where supported. If the result looks wrong, paste first into a plain text editor like Notepad to strip formatting, then copy and paste again. If copying fails, restart the clipboard manager or app, check clipboard permissions, and try a lightweight helper app as a last resort. A quick restart or switching to plain text usually fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.